To opt out or cancel paper statements, navigate to Profile and Preferences. Then choose Cancel Opt Out of Paper Statements. Here you can choose to receive printed statements or opt to access statements only through online banking. Enter your email address. We obtain this so we may send you an email to let you know your statement is ready to review. Click Next when ready to continue. Now click Confirm to complete the opt-out process. To view your statements, navigate to My Accounts, View eStatements. You can review past statements up to 7 years.